welcome back. I've got a winter blue, snowflakey and 3D bauble set for you. I am using the Winter Ice collection for this set today, and starting on the ring finger with Chase Me Charlie. Then over to the pinky with the beautiful Meridian. It's got a mix of blues and teals in there. Gorgeous glitter. Over to the pointer finger, I'm using the brand new core Naked Attraction to make a extended nail bed. And then onto the middle, and I'm doing a ombre with a slight little glitter trail at the top. So the bottom, the tip colour is Chase Me Charlie, and then I come in with Baby Shower to do the blend from the cuticle. And I did go over quite a few times with really small beads because I just wasn't happy with the blend at all. And then when I finally was happy, I came in with a smidge of Frozen and just plonked that on top there. Now after I've filed the cuticle bead extended nail bed on the pointer, nice and crisp, and then come in with Frozen to do a block trail around where the wall is, and then like disperse it, blend it out a little bit towards the tip. Obviously it would have looked a lot better if it was a glass nail, but with it being her natural nails, an overlay on her natural nails, obviously you can see the natural colour through, which it's no biggie, you know, it still looks pretty. And then when it's set up just a tad, I make sure that it is fully capped. I'm not bothered about shape and all that because I've done the extended nail bed high enough so that when this is fully set and this end is fully capped, when it's all filed through, it will be the right shape, the right structure, the right apex. Now, I have off camera, my bad, I did all my shaping and I top coated, and I've done a bit of stamping, so I've stamped snowflakes randomly across the nails. The ring finger is what we did a 3D bauble on. This is Frozen that I'm using to do the actual ball. And then when that's set up, I will come in and do some detail with white gel paints and gold. So in with the white gel paint, do the string of the bauble, and then I thought, well, let's do like a bow ribbon. Painting that on. And then some little stripes down the bauble as if it's in kind of like a cage, I guess. A caged bauble. After you've done that, it's going into the lamp for a full cure. Back in to do the little smidge of gold. I'm just adding just a teeny smidge of gold on top of the white on the bauble. and a smidge of definition around the bows, and that's it. And then again into the lamp for a full cure. So using my white gel paint, I've just come back onto the ring finger and I'm just doing like a snowdrift from the tip of the nail, so like it's like the snow builds up on the windowsill. So it's that kind of effect on that one. And then over to the pointer and I'm doing exactly the same thing but in the opposite direction. So it's like a snowdrift coming down the nail. Now I'm doing this as thick as I can without it looking bulky, because I want enough paint there to be able to cling to the glitter. Because what I'm going to do before I put it into the lamp for a full cure, once I've finished doing all of the tails and exactly where I want the white paint to be, before I cure it, I then come in with some very fine iridescent glitter here, and I'm just going to pour it on top of the pointer. I'm just using my scoop because it's just the first thing I grabbed, which I shouldn't have done because look how much I wasted. So pop it on and then give it a tap on the finger. It'll make it settle into place more when you tap it, and it'll also tap away the excess. And then I thought it was wise to use a cuticle pusher to pick up a little bit for this one, you know, so I didn't pour half a bucket full again. Give that a tap off and then in for a full cure, and there you go. So I'm sorry, no video for this one, but it's back to videos from now on, promise. See you soon, bye!